Alright, we're at the Folsom garage in CU Boulder. There it is. And got a ThyssenKrupp elevator. Pretty basic. This might have been a mod to something. That's not a ThyssenKrupp door frame, I don't. Huh. There's an indicator in there for some reason.
Level P2. Level 2.
Oh. This actually just opens into an area. I blended on one. And look, we'll watch this indicator. Oh, that doesn't even do anything, it's disabled.
Level 1.
That red light comes on when the door's open. What is this place? Huh. Anyway, that's it.